I've worked at the WTIA for 4 years, and in that 4-year period of time, I've interviewed 200 plus members. And unequivocally, the one thing that I've heard consistently, time after time, is how come my insurance cost is going up 20 to 30% a year? And how come the actual care that I'm receiving really isn't different? That doesn't seem sustainable.
There's slim pickings out there. So today what I find every year when it's time for us to renew is we're really presented with the same options that we had the previous year. And all the packages look very similar from organization to organization.
As a small company, it's really difficult to find something that meets our needs. We're a digital health company, and so we see all of this innovation happening all across the board with these new services that could be really helpful, and yet we have no access to those services.
We keep hearing the same thing. Please help me with a solution to provide better care for my employees at a price that can be sustainable going forward. And our goal, our mission, is to be the unifying voice of the tech sector and to give the tech sector what it wants. And if it doesn't exist, we absolutely are mandated by our charter to go build that.
Personally, I can't wait for telemedicine. I want to be able to call my doc, see my doc, talk to my doc, and be done with it and get on with life, just like everything else I do in the tech industry.
In our industry, in the insurance industry, we typically have been afforded the ability to stay behind the curve. The times have changed.
I am really, really impressed with the senior leadership of the Primera Health team. They really understand what we're trying to accomplish, and I'm highly optimistic that we are going to have a transformative healthcare plan.
We're going to have to try things, we'll fail on some things, and we'll learn and we'll improve. And I think the tech sector, that's DNA for them, and we want to learn from that along the way.
We're the tech company. Let's use technology just to experience healthcare like we experience the rest of the world, and to be able to provide an offering that matches the innovation that we're creating in our own company will help us not only attract employees, but also retain the employees that we currently have as well.
Nobody else is going to do this. No insurance company can do it because they don't know the tech sector well enough. No hospital can do this because this is not their role. This is our role. Our job is to help the tech industry, and there's this huge segment of our population, roughly 90% of all of the tech companies in the state of Washington have less than 50 employees. They're begging us to do this. So if not us, who?